And now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
A beautiful Laupule, a beautiful Sunday today across the islands. A lot more blue skies, less cloud coverage, and we're going to see positive changes moving into the beginning of the week. But as we get to the middle of the week, then we're going to have some negative changes in terms of what we're going to be seeing. We do have high threats for tomorrow for ocean conditions. And as you heard earlier, our jellyfish are here on the south-facing shores, but it seems they're kind of just surrounding the shores. So just be aware of that. We're going to be seeing them for the next few days. Now, we do have a couple advisories. We do have that small craft advisory that was expected to be discontinued tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. That has been extended yet again to tomorroro evening at 6 o'clock for the entire state, and that has to do with the winds that are coming through right now. We also have a high surf advisory for north and west facing shores from Kauai all the way down to Molokai, and then north facing shores for the island of Maui. That's until tomorrow evening, 6 o'clock at the same time. That has to do with this northwest swell that is going to be diminishing. Now, coming up by the middle of the week, we're going to have another and a larger northwest swell that will possibly be bringing some warning levels for north and west facing shores. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll be enough to trigger the eddy, which is still a possibility. Now, the biggest thing in our weather is really our winds. We've been seeing some comfortable trade winds with even some lower dew points, and that's contributing to the cool and the crispy conditions we've had in the evening hours. Now, what we're going to be seeing, these trade winds up to 25-mile-per-hour sustained winds will move into Monday, but once we get to Monday night, things are going to be starting to ease off, leading into losing our trade winds once we get to the middle of the week. But the big thing right now, as I want to point out, is the direction in the winds in which they're coming from. So today we're going to be seeing more easterly flow. We're going to be seeing that move into tomorrow. Once we get to tomorrow evening, aside from the weakening portion of the winds, we're also going to be seeing a tilting towards the southeast and then eventually towards the south. And that has to do with a cold front. And it actually will be a pair of cold fronts that will be making its way through the islands throughout this week. Again, starting to come the middle of the week, that will start to change our winds to more southeasterly flow by Tuesday. And then, unfortunately, we're going to see that type of trend in our winds lasting through possibly Friday, maybe even into Saturday, when we're going to start to see the trade winds return. But as you see around the islands, a lot of sunshine, not much cloud coverage. We still do have some pockets of showers, especially for the island of Molokai and Maui. So we do see potential of having heavier showers, or at least more showers for the smaller islands of our state. But for the rest of the islands, very dry conditions. And that's what we're going to be seeing moving into tomorrow. That's what we've seen today. As you can see on this future radar, not much rain is really popping up. We still do have those clouds. So dry conditions tomorrow we do expect, but moving into the middle of the week again, it will be this next cold front that's going to be playing a big factor in terms of the direction of the winds. Fortunately, though, with this cold front, it looks to be stalling either over Kauai or towards the side of Kauai, towards the west, which will keep the moisture away from impacting the entire state. So we're not seeing much shower activity with this upcoming cold front, but really due to the winds, that's what we're going to be seeing, some variable winds from middle to the weekend. Now, moving into tomorrow morning around 7 o'clock, 20% chance of rain for Hilo, the highest for Hana, 50% chance, and then 10 to 20% chance for Oahu and Kauai. We're going to be seeing some dry conditions throughout the week, so expect a lot of sunshine. Just, again, expect the winds to start to ease off middle of the week. 12 to 16 footers up north. We do have 8 to 12 footers for the west. Again, high surf advisory for those two shores up until tomorrow evening. Now, for Martin Luther King Day tomorrow, beautiful conditions. Again, we're expecting some increased shower activity for the islands of Molokai and Maui, but really just scattered showers for the Windward and Mauka sections for the entire state, well, for the rest of the state. Now, as you can see, starting Tuesday, variable winds will be lasting through Friday, where we do see a pocket of trade winds return for Saturday, but due to yet another cold front, we do see our winds being all messed up again by the time we get to Sunday, and that, unfortunately, looks to be leading into the new week following that. Sam, I'll toss it back to you.